cold wind, snow, and ice buildup, which can damage roofs, gutters, and downspouts. Roof de-icing systems are becoming increasingly popular for homeowners who want to prevent ice dams, leaks, and structural issues. This guide reviews the best roof. List 1. The heatit 200-foot de-icing cable is a powerful and efficient solution for preventing ice dams on roofs and gutters. Delivering 5 watts per foot, it provides consistent heat output to keep water flowing and reduce snow buildup. Made from durable materials, it can withstand harsh winter weather while maintaining performance over time. The cable is easy to install along roof edges, gutters, and downspouts, offering reliable coverage for large areas. Its UV-resistant jacket enhances longevity, while the waterproof design ensures safe operation. Ideal for homeowners needing heavy-duty ice prevention, this cable balances power, length, and durability, making it one of the most dependable options on the market. List number. The heatit HIRDF 200-foot kit is designed for homeowners looking for a ready-to-install de-icing solution. Featuring a pre-assembled design, it offers 5 watts per foot of heating power to efficiently melt snow and ice along roof lines and gutters. The self-regulating cable adjusts heat output based on temperature, optimizing energy use while ensuring safety. The kit includes clips and accessories for straightforward installation, saving time and effort. Its robust construction withstands freezing conditions and provides reliable performance season after season. Perfect for those wanting a user-friendly, high-capacity de-icing solution. The heatit HIRD kit is an excellent choice for protecting roofs from ice-related damage. List number 3. The Prime Wire and Cable RHC 1200W 240 kit is designed for powerful ice prevention in residential settings. Its heavy-duty heating cable ensures effective melting of snow and ice, preventing blockages and water damage. Pre-assembled for convenience, it comes with all necessary installation hardware, including roof clips and cable spacers. Built with durable weather-resistant materials, it provides dependable performance in extreme cold. The cable's high wattage ensures fast and consistent heating, ideal for areas with heavy snowfall. Easy to set up and reliable in operation, this de-icing kit delivers excellent value for homeowners who need strong protection against winter hazards. List number. H&G Lifestyles offers a self-regulating roof heat cable that automatically adjusts power output based on surrounding temperatures. This feature not only enhances energy efficiency, but also ensures consistent performance during fluctuating weather conditions. The cable is built with a durable waterproof jacket, ensuring long-term use and resistance to UV rays, moisture, and freezing temperatures. Its flexibility makes it easy to install along rooflines, gutters, and downspouts without tangling. With strong heating capacity and reliable safety features, this cable is perfect for homeowners seeking an efficient and low-maintenance solution for preventing ice buildup. It combines performance, safety, and convenience in one compact system. List number 5. The EasyHeat ADKS 600 kit provides an excellent balance of performance and convenience for mid-size roof lines. Measuring 120 feet, it delivers reliable heating power to prevent ice dams and maintain water flow through gutters and downspouts. The kit includes ready-to-install cables with all necessary mounting hardware, allowing for hassle-free setup. Its durable design ensures resistance to harsh weather conditions, while the energy-efficient operation helps manage electricity costs during long winter months. Lightweight yet powerful, the ADKS 600 is perfect for homeowners looking for a straightforward, dependable, and cost-effective de-icing system.